Hello friends, in trick number 242, yet another important question based on surface area and volumes. This time we are going to solve a problem very important for board examinations, and this problem is that of embankment. Now the question goes like this. There is a well which is dug with a given diameter and a given depth. Now see, this is the ground level and we are digging a well. Obviously, if the diameter of the well is given, that means the well is cylindrical in shape. Now, the earth or the mud which is taken out from this well, by digging you take out the mud, it is spread all around it. So this well is being surrounded by mud which is taken out from the well, and the width of this embankment, that is the solid portion which is being shaded here, is 4 meters. We need to find out the height of the embankment above the ground. So obviously when we are taking out mud from the well and spreading all around it, then the height will increase, and that height of embankment, this is the embankment, this is a rough figure. Obviously it is a three-dimensional figure, you cannot draw exactly what is formed, but you can judge that this part which is above the ground is actually a hollow cylinder which is having a internal radius and an external radius. So let us mark the dimensions of this figure. This is the radius of the well, that is this small r, that is the part which is dug. So this radius and this radius, internal radius, is actually the same. This is the depth of the well, so I'll call it capital H. This is the height of embankment formed, this is small h, this is what we are required to find, and this is the width to which the mud is spread. So the width is 4 meters, so obviously we will have one more radius here, so this is capital R. Now let us write whatever is given in the question. The well is having a diameter of 4 meters, so small r, radius of the well, is 2 meters. The depth of the well, capital H, it is 10 meters. So for the cylindrical portion, that of the well, the two dimensions are given, radius and height. The width of embankment is 4 meters. So for finding the external radius, capital R, we add 4 to the internal radius, because internal radius plus width will give us the external radius. So R will come out to be 2 plus 4, that is 6 meters. So now we know all the dimensions except the height of embankment, which we can find out by equating the volumes of the two figures. Because whatever earth was taken out from this part, the well, has been converted into an embankment. So the volume of the well and the volume of the mud contained in the embankment will be same. So we write volume of material in the embankment is equal to volume of earth taken out. Now see, this embankment is a hollow cylinder. So how do we find the volume of a hollow cylinder? Pi r square minus small r square into height of the embankment. Outer volume, outer cylinder minus inner cylinder, because inner cylinder is hollow, so we have to subtract the volume of the inner cylinder. So pi capital R square minus small r square into h is equal to volume of earth taken out. Now see, this is the volume of well. So here we have different height. So pi r square, because this small r is the radius of the well and h is the height or the depth of the well. So I have written the exact formula which is required to be applied here. Now just cancel pi, and whatever is given we can substitute the values now. Capital R is 6, so 6 square, small r is 2, so 2 square, multiplied by h is equal to small r is 2, so 2 square, into depth is 10, so this is 10. So 36 minus 4, this is 32. 2 square, 4 into 10 is 40. So the value of h, the height of embankment, comes out to be 40 upon 32, which you can cancel by 8. This is 5 upon 4, and when you divide 5 by 4 it will come out to be 1.25 meters. Therefore height of embankment is 1.25 meters. Now see, very easy question if you have little bit of understanding of the question, but normally the questions on embankment are deemed to be tough by the students. Little bit of thought and little bit of understanding of three-dimensional shapes will enable you to solve this important problem of board examination of class 10th easily. So keep viewing the videos based on mensuration. I will be posting some more videos which are very important for board examinations in my subsequent videos. Till then, keep sharing and subscribe the channel if you like it.